Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Tamiya TT-02 RC car kit, and I've chosen the 1998 Honda NSX racing body. But this unboxing will apply to pretty much any standard TT-02 RC car kits, unless you have chosen a different variant like the TT-02R, TT-02D, TT-02 Type SRX. This is going to apply. And you may have chosen a Porsche body, Subaru body, either a street car, a rally car, or a GT car. It's going to be all the same as this box right here. So let's get started. All right, let's see what we get in the box. So right here is going to be the plastic spoiler and all the mirrors. And these are like little fenders in the front of the bumper. We have the included Hobbywing 1060 ESC right here. We have the parts bags. I'm going to put this aside and open everything individually. And here is the NSX body. Pretty cool. And looks like the wheel wells are pre-cut, which is awesome. Here's the foam bumper. So this is going to be the A parts tree. And I can see some damper stays. That's the steering. I can see the diff covers, and I can see some of the hub carriers. And here's the wheel hexes. I believe these are going to be for a wider track width. So that's the A parts tree. This is the plastic tub chassis. And here are the NSX wheels. Pretty cool. It's kind of a matte gunmetal color right now. I may paint these. Go with the wheels. We're going to have the tires, and these are going to be slick tires. And in this bag is going to be the B tree. And there's two of them, just like the A trees. And I see the front, kind of the bumper cover. I see the arms, upper and lower arms. I see some arms here and there. I see some damper components, the body posts. And looks like there's some damper parts right here. Some more right here, that as well. So this is going to be the B parts tree. And this is going to be the C parts tree. And we have the wheel axles. We have some dog bones. That is going to be part of the propeller shaft. And these are going to be the drive cups. So that's everything in the C parts tree. And the last parts bag is going to be the D. And this is the battery holder. That's the spur gear cover. That is the motor mount. That's a smaller motor mount for a different size motor. This is just the cover. This is for the receiver box. We've got some other wheel hexes here. Oh, and this is the servo saver. So this is going to be the D parts tree. This folded paper here is going to be some disclaimers. We have an antenna tube here, which I never use. And we have the instruction manual for the NSX body. Pretty cool. There's going to be a lot of decals. All right. And here's the instruction manual itself. Pretty standard, and you should have pretty much the same instruction manual as well. And here are the window masks. So we're going to tape these onto the body before we paint it so the windows stay clear. And here's some decals, the tail lights, windshields, things like that. And these are just the caution decals. All right. So let me bring in the parts bags and let's open those. All right, let's check out what's in the parts bags. In the A parts bag, I see the pinion gear right here. I see a tube of grease, motor plate, and some screws. And I believe there's a little Allen wrench right here. So that's the A parts bag. In the B parts bag, we have the springs for the dampers, cross wrench, and also this foam piece that's for the servo, some more screws, and I see a couple pins here that are for the arms. In the C parts bag, I see some zip ties. I see the wheel nuts. There's 2 pieces of double-sided tape right there, and some more screws. It's a C parts bag. This is going to be the servo saver. We're actually going to use this one. This is the plastic bushings that we're going to use to build this kit, but I also recommend that you purchase the ball bearing kit and use those instead of these. This bag contains all of the differential parts, the bodies, the gears, and the cover. So we're going to use this to build the 2 differentials. And this is the torque tune motor that comes with the kit, and this is going to be included in every TT-02 kit that are not variants. And lastly, we have the body pins. All right. So this is everything you get in the box when you purchase a Tamiya TT-02 RC car kit. I hope you found this video helpful. Click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.